The Congress said that there is a need to review the reservation policy. Speaking to reporters after attending the meeting of all the political parties yesterday, Millennium legislator Ronnie V. Lingdor said that the reservation policy has been there for 51 years and it was high time to review it. He said that the Congress will sit as a party and deliberate on the issue, even as he stated that since it is a national party, only the MLAs cannot decide. Meanwhile, Umsting legislator Celestine Lingdor said that any decisions taken by the party should be far-sighted and not do anything hastily.
We don't come key experts. We only constitutional experts, legal experts, demographic experts, economic experts. Kita kan pilih apel dia berkait jumlah benong kat kene ke policy. Kapan kita nila benong belum mentang terai marsi teng ke jimbun beriu kita kena semla jongi ki bahapo like boleh sansna. Te ya ka lawi jongki nimla macam rai kerki te. Denam tang sultanat bah komiti mene berkait ngirungil ajumut na kaseng kongres mana expert committee tomar pi ka rai ka bangin sim menta lese hadir kano snam ban review be min tipte te ladangi pakla menta ngin kita ke lawe joki khon ki kiti ki khon sama chuni